Hi everyone. In this video, we're gonna see how to implement your Kucoin API keys from your Kucoin account to your Cede Store extension. So first of all, if you didn't watch it, please check out our Notion guide by clicking on this link. So this is the whitelisting email that you should have received, and you have to click on this link. Then you will access to this Notion guide, and please have a proper look at it. It's quite well explained, and everything should be correctly explained here. So now we're gonna go on the create your API key section, and more especially, as we said, Kucoin. So I'm clicking on Kucoin. I will open this toggle, and here everything is explained. So I will have to click on the first link and directly access to the API management page of the Kucoin account. So first, obviously, I will have to log in. So see you just after this step. So once your connection is done, you will arrive directly to this API management section of your Kucoin account. Let's create a new API. So for this, you have to create a new API, choose a name. So for example, for this API key, I only want read-only access. So I'm gonna name this API read Cede Store, for example. And you have to set up a password. Okay. Here, please choose the different rights permissions that you want to give to this API. If you want only to do read, you don't have to change anything. But if you want, for example, to implement the trade and in the future the transfer feature, you will have to check these boxes. For more details, please check out again this Notion page. Every step is correctly explained. So for us, it will all only be the general permission restriction. And on IP restriction, I'm gonna click on no. Period of validity, you can put whatever you want. For me, it will be permanent, as I don't want to set up new API keys in the future. I'm clicking on next, verifying that I'm not a robot. And we'll probably have to do again a 2FA process. Yes. So see you just after this step. So this is the new API that you just created now. Now let's see how to implement it on your Cede Store extension. So click again on your extension, enter your password. And as you can see, I already previously in a previous video implemented a Binance API key, but now we're gonna add a Kucoin API key. So click here, a new page will appear, and select Kucoin. And now come back to this page and copy the first API key, which is the public key, named by key. So I have to copy it, and I'm gonna store it on the public API key section. Come back to this page, copy the second key, which is the secret, copy it, and paste it on the private API key. And finally, I have to remember the passphrase that we set it up together at the really beginning of this video, and I'm gonna put it here. Also here you can choose the different permissions that you want to give to this API. So for us, as we said, it will only be read, but please note that you can always change those permissions directly on your Cede Store extension. So I'm gonna click on add, and it's done. My Kucoin API key was generated from the Kucoin account and is now implemented on my Cede Store extension. So if I'm coming back to the home page, you can see that I have new assets from Kucoin and assets from Binance. Thank you.